This is an AI tracker from Insta360. It's an accessory to the Flow 2 Pro smartphone gimbal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what it does and who it's for. AI tracking is a great feature, especially if you're a solo creator like me. It is chilly out here this morning, probably in the 20s, but thankfully spring is just around the corner. But I'm staying really warm thanks in part to this flannel hoodie that Flannel Go sent me. It is heavy duty, but has a soft quilted interior lining. I'm really impressed with the quality of it, and it's affordable. So if you enjoy a good flannel hoodie like I do, you should go check out Flannel Go. I've been a solo content creator for about 4 years now, doing hiking, off-roading, camping videos. And one thing about being a solo content creator is a whole lot of putting the camera down, walking past it, driving past it, turning around, going and picking it up. And a lot of times these shots are very static and can get a little boring. One of the benefits of AI tracking is that it allows you to add movement to your shots, making it more dynamic and more engaging. The ability to use AI tracking just isn't beneficial to a content creator like myself. If you enjoy FaceTiming with your family and friends, you put your phone into the gimbal, activate the AI tracking. Now your hands are free, you can move around, and it's going to keep you in frame while you're talking to your family and friends. The AI tracking technology for the Flow 2 Pro is built into the Insta360 app, and the app is compatible with iPhone and Androids, and it works really well. You can use gestures to stop and start recording. The tracking can find you even if you go behind objects, and it's quick and responsive. I'm pretty familiar with Insta360 smartphone gimbals. I use the original Flow. So when I saw that there was an AI tracking accessory, I was thinking, why is that necessary since the tracking with the app works so well? Insta360 sent me this AI tracker to test out and to share with you how it works. My affiliate link is down in the description. I'd appreciate you using it if you decide that the AI tracker is right for you. The AI tracking works great with your iPhone or Android if you're using it within the native Insta360 app. But what if you want to take advantage of tracking in your Flow 2 Pro smartphone gimbal outside of the Insta360 app? You want to use it when you FaceTime with your family or friends, use it on a video conference for work, or use it when you're working on your next TikTok. How do you do that if you need to be in the Insta360 app? The answer to that question is that it depends. It depends if you're an iPhone user or an Android user. If you're an iPhone user, the Flow 2 Pro is compatible with Apple DocKit. DocKit allows you to use AI tracking with over 200 compatible iOS apps. Let me show you how easy it is to connect your iPhone to the Flow 2 Pro using Apple DocKit. The Flow 2 Pro is turned on. I'm in the Insta360 app, and it uses NFC technology. So all you do is place the upper left-hand corner of your phone over the top, and it's going to connect, and it's that easy. AI tracking using Apple DocKit is good, but not as good as the tracking within the Insta360 app. It's not as quick and responsive, in my opinion. If you have an Android phone, it's not going to be compatible with Apple DocKit. So how do you still use AI tracking outside of the Insta360 app? And the solution is this AI tracker. You connect the AI tracker to the USB port here on the gimbal arm. Make sure it snaps in. You want the AI tracker to be facing you, so if you plan on using the front-facing camera, it should be this way. If you're going to be using the back-facing camera and standing over there, you flip it around and face it that direction. Now let's give it a quick test. I don't have an Android, so I'm going to use my iPhone, but I'm not going to use the Insta360 app. I'm just going to use the iPhone's camera app, and we're going to see how well it does. There's a button here on the top to activate the tracker, and the light comes on right here. And there's also a light, so push this button here, and you can change the color temperature. To start the AI tracking, all you do is raise your palm. It there is connected, and it is following me, and we're going to test it out here to see how it does. I'll stand up, move back here. and it's supposed to have a range of about 16 feet. And due to all the trees and rocks, I don't got about 16 feet of distance to do this, but when I was testing it out at home, it had a good range, and I would say that's pretty accurate. When I was comparing Apple Dock Kit with using the tracking within the Insta360 app and with this tracking accessory, I did notice a difference. The Apple Dock Kit wasn't as responsive, but I will say that this accessory is just as responsive as using the Insta360 app, and overall I'm impressed with it. To turn it off, all you do is raise your palm again. If you're an Android user and you want to take advantage of the Flow 2 Pro's AI tracking capabilities outside of the Insta360 app, you'll need to pick up the AI Tracker Accessory. It's $39.99 and you can get it from Insta360.com. If you want to see how the Flow 2 Pro compares with the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, check out this video.